Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we are going to take a look at Sonnet BioTherapeutics Holdings Inc., ticker symbol SONN, a sub-dollar biotech play that has been on the move lately. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set your notifications so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we're not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence, folks. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. Today, pre-market, for example, we alerted BMR in our private Discord. BMR today reported an AI collaboration with NVIDIA, which has been on fire since its earnings first came out this week. But you see, we first alerted BMR to our private Discord members when it IPO'd in February 2023. And once again, 1 week ago on May 18th, when it was at $1.70, and then again pre-market today. And by the way, today it hit a high of $8.04, about a 470% run from when we called it last week. Oh, and I left out WLDS, another AI play we called today, before it ran about 300%. Just saying, we're just made different. Just made different. You know what they say? The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 360 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, and how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So, let's get right into it with Sonnet BioTherapeutics Holdings Inc., ticker symbol SONN, which is located in Princeton, New Jersey. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ healthcare biotech company with a $5 million market cap and 9 employees. SONN is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company. The company has developed FHAB, which is fully human albumin binding technology, which is suited for drug development across a range of human disease areas, including in oncology, autoimmune, pathogenic, inflammatory, and hematological conditions. The firm's pipeline products includes SON 080, SON 1210, and SON 1010. Now, let's take a look at SONN's most recent news. On January 9th, SONN announced a collaboration with Roche, a leading pharmaceutical company. The collaboration aims to conduct a clinical evaluation of SONN's product, SON 1010, in combination with Roche's drug called atezolizumab. That's a humdinger, isn't it? Well, SON 1010 is a therapeutical agent developed by SONN, while atezolizumab is an immune checkpoint inhibitor developed by Roche. Immune checkpoint inhibitors are a type of a cancer immunotherapy that help the immune system recognize and attack cancer cells more effectively. The objective of this collaboration is to evaluate the safety and efficacy of combining SON 1010 and atezolizumab in the treatment of the specific condition or cancer type. Clinical evaluation typically involves conducting controlled studies in human patients to assess the therapeutical potential of a drug or drug combination. So by combining SON 1010 with atezolizumab, SONN and Roche aim to determine if the combination treatment could provide enhanced therapeutic benefits compared to each drug used alone. And this collaboration allows SONN to leverage Roche's expertise in the development and commercialization of oncology therapies, potentially accelerating the clinical development and the regulatory approval process for SON 1010. Collaborations between biotechnology companies and established pharmaceutical companies like Roche are common in the industry. Such collaborations provide access to additional resources, expertise, and established distribution networks, which can help accelerate the development and commercialization of the innovative therapies. Also today, May 25th, 2023, E.F. Hutton has given SONN a $6.70 price target. Now, this news had a positive impact on the stock price, which was up today 36%. The low float is on the low side of 18 million shares, and volume has increased substantially. There has been quite a bit of news on SONN lately, so a continuation in price increase in the near future is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As a reminder, as we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We provide a lot of bangers, a lot of times. We're just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 360 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, and how to read the candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, SONN is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the healthcare biotech sector. SONN is a company that we will watch. With the right continued increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. SONN's financials are not good, and we will not be holding any positions as we may take a swing trade or a long term. Will SONN run parabolic? Well, it will need a continued increase in volume, but who knows for sure? We are still in a bearish market, of course, so we would need to see continued volume before we actually trade the stock. This is not advice, folks. We are not pros. It's just my opinion and I will have SONN on my watch list. This is Double Moms saying see you on the flip side and have a good one, everybody.